Welcome back, friends. Today we've got a brand new drawing challenge and we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. Okay, to start you're going to want to draw these upside down L shapes. Feel free to pause the video and take all the time you need. So I think for the first one, I'm going to do an elephant. These big elephant ears here. Because immediately with this L shape I saw an elephant trunk. I'm going to draw out these ears. And we'll do some big cartoony eyes. I think we'll do a cute little smile. And we'll give him some details on his elephant trunk here. His big nostrils. Maybe some lines here. Let's give the trunk a little more detail. And some eyebrows. It's a happy guy. For our next one here, we're going to do a T-Rex. I see, it looks like a dinosaur body to me. Needs a tail though. Give him some legs, or a leg for now. Give him a little arm. Draw his dinosaur belly. Give him some lines for detail. Give him some cool looking spikes from his head all the way down to his tail. Give him a little leg kicking up like he's chasing after something. And then we'll draw him another little arm here going upward. It's a dinosaur on a mission. This last one, when we draw like a goofy alien, Cyclops. Make him a happy guy with a little smile. You gotta give him some arms. And some legs to stand on. Do some spots. I love putting spots on my aliens. It's a fun little detail. We'll give them some cool wavy alien hair. Now that we've done these 3 characters together, you should draw another set of shapes and create 3 new characters on your own. Think outside of the box. Think animals, aliens, robots, a unicorn, just whatever you can possibly think of. Just really stretch your imagination and you can create anything. You could draw this shape 100 times and you'd come up with something different every single time, and that is what is so great about this exercise. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing challenge as much as I did. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.